Alright, hey there YouTube fans, how you going? Look at the kind of mess I need to prepare this helmet cam. Alright, so we got all this going on, tape back and all that. So the idea is interesting, you can't even see my mouth there. Okay, so the idea is to record on the XR, something like that, on the Honda XR. And let's have a look at my bike and my big mess here. Busy, up to no good. YouTube on the channel. Here I am again, hiding my stomach. Yeah, that's right, I gotta go out tonight. How do I get out of here? Alright, so we're GoPro on it, and hopefully we'll be on the XR soon, something like this. And and I need to test all that out. Can use that for the back camera. Just might be my phone, something like that, with that adapter over there. But yeah, so this is with the visor down. Got to remember to clean that visor. We come back in. It's my small little place. Boy. Well, this should sound pretty good, and then it should be stereo. Come back to the big mess, which won't take long to clean up. Alright, so that's a little bit of a test run. Hopefully soon. I mean, it's getting a little late, and I'm feeling pretty tired from yesterday. I don't think I will record an actual motorbike video today, because I've got to go out as well. So I think this is a good little test for now, and then we'll see you in the next one. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Teacher Sal out. GoPro, stop recording.